the day I got a call from a customer. They have an Isuzu truck, which oddly I've been doing a lot of those. It just started doing some weird noises. They want me to come up there, check it out, see if they need to get it towed to a shop, or is there something I can take care of on site. It needs to be attended to in a timely manner. So anyway, I'm on my way to pick up my dad. It's about an hour and a half of a drive, and then so I got to go out there, and then if it's something that we can fix on site, then I need help driving it back. But we'll see. This is what it's like to do those night calls. We picked up my dad, my sister tagged along, and then alright, we'll see how this goes. Let's check. Okay. Creo que se ve bien. Ok. So. Como que tiene pedacitos. ¿Sí ves este aquí? Sí. Ok. So. La faja se ve bien. El coil se ve bien. Ok. Vamos a abrirla. Y pues tiene aceite. Yo tenía miedo que se haya salido el aceite. Ahora se salieron los cables, mira. Está arrastrando. Ok. Es un lifter. Está allá. Oh, mira, si ves cómo tiene humo aquí, ¿tienes el humo? Puede que solo sea una fuga de escape. Sí. Mira, aquí se rompió el stud. ¿Sí ves? Sí. Hazme un favor, nomás tócale la gasolina, por favor. Bueno. Que no, si es un lifter. Yeah. ¿Otra vez? Ok. ¿Nos lo llevamos?
Tú lo manejas.
Yeah. Ya, mira, acá tiene el sensor.
Ajá.
Que se le rompió de aquel lado. ¿Y ves cómo esto no tiene humo alrededor?
No, no es posible.
Yeah. So,
Tienes que reemplazar el gasket.
yeah, pero ese lifter se pegó y se despegó. Okay. 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 This was pretty quick actually. I do believe we have a lifter that's sticking. The customer left it here because they weren't sure if it was going to be like rod knock or the engine was going to like seize up on the way down back to Richmond. I got here, we checked the oil. So we serviced the vehicle, so we did an oil change about 2,000 miles ago. Oil looks good. I tried looking for debris or shavings or anything like that. That wasn't the case. We have plenty of oil. There is a knocking coming from this area. We revved up the vehicle and the knocking went away. So it's possibly a sticking caliper, sticking lifter. I also noticed that we have a broken stud here for the exhaust. That could also be making a little bit of a noise. And then there's also a little bit of burnt shade over here, which could mean gases are escaping and also could be making a ticking noise. So we're just gonna put this back down, drive it back down for them, sit them on the tow bill, and then just quote them for a lifter, or see what they want to do. Do they want to wait for it to get worse, or just want to quote it, have the parts ready for when it does happen? We can just knock it out. But that was it. Thank you guys for watching. It wasn't as exciting. It was mainly the long ass drive, but it is what it is. All right, thank you.